Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's see how to make instant jalebis. First we need to make sugar syrup. For that we have to boil 1 cup sugar in 1 cup water. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Check whether the consistency is close to one stem. Our sugar syrup is ready now. Now we will start batter preparation. For that, take 1 cup of maida, then add half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of KESAR food color. Now we need to add 1 cup curd. Add 1 cup of water too, then mix well. Our batter is ready now. Fill it in a sauce bottle. Heat oil in a pan and make jalebis. You can add 1 teaspoon of ghee in oil before making jalebis for getting a ghee taste for jalebis. Dip in sugar syrup for a few seconds. Our jalebis are ready. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe.